Hello, it's Mommy Beach here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making cocoyam fufu and plantain fufu. These two types of fufu we are making in this video is super nutritious and it's easy to digest, especially for the elderly people and for people who are watching their weight. Okay, we'll start by making the cocoyam fufu first, after which we'll proceed to the plantain fufu. And this type of cocoyam, we call it in my language Ede Oku. So it's not the kind of cocoyam we use in making our soup. Like it's not Edore. This one is Ede Oku. I don't know what it's called in other type of languages, so pardon me. Okay, so the cocoyam is ready. It's very soft, so I'm going to put it into this cold water, peel it off, and I'm going to pound it. So that's just it. Basically, if you don't want to go through this process of peeling it off after cooking, you can peel it off before cooking. Okay, they are basically the same, just that you have to be careful while peeling it off before cooking because it can be very itchy if the water should touch your skin. Okay, so I always prefer this method. It's safer for me and it's kind of faster. So the cocoyam fufu is ready. I'm going to just bring it out from the food processor so that I can see how beautiful it looks. Look at how, I don't know, it's so good. Like swallowing it with any soup tastes super amazing. So this is our cocoyam fufu. I hope you learned how to make it. I hope you enjoyed this particular video tutorial. So let's move over to the plantain fufu. So for the plantain fufu, all you have to do is that you should make sure the plantain you are using is unripe and is matured. You don't want plantain that is not matured, that is very lean and maybe ripe and not good plantain. There is some plantain that when you see, you wouldn't want to eat it. So the plantain is cooked already. I'm going to throw it into the water so that I can peel off the coat easily. So it's time for me to pound the plantain. Note that you can add water to your plantain when pounding it in a food processor. You can pound it just like that. For me, I prefer pounding it like this. Anytime I want to eat it, I just cut out the little quantity I want and add water, then use my hand to knead the plantain. It makes the plantain very fresh whenever I want to eat it. Okay, you can see it's already forming. I'm going to arrange it inside the food processor, then pound it one more time. The plantain fufu is ready. Look at how nice it looks. Looks super good. So let me bring it out from the food processor first. So don't forget to share this video, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Subscribe to join the family, okay, so that I can get the notification of these notifications from more. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye. Happy holidays.